Today I have an interesting experiment. I can on light bulb with no battery and no electricity. Are you curious? Let's get started right now. Hi everyone, this is Warren. Today we're gonna do science experiment. This is electric dynamo from Anko. Let's unboxing now. Wow! This is what we get from in the box. So, what is electric dynamo? Turn a simple toy motor into a generator that converts hand motion to electric energy and powers a light bulb. No battery, no pollution, just amazement. The generator could be used as an awesome emergency torch. Wow! This is what we have, and this is what we're going to make. If we turn this, the bulb will light up. So this is dynamo torch casing. So this is one set electric dynamo accessories. This is transparent torch cover. This is toy motor. This is gear. This is 10 screws, and this is LED lamp with holder and wires connected. Okay, let's assemble this electric dynamo. So first step, we take LED lamp and casing. Insert like this. After that, there's hole here, and we're gonna put here. Just stick. This is the next step. There. Next step, attach this to here, and we put inside here like this. Then we attach from this casing to this casing. It works. So guys, this is the final product. My hand motion create electric energy and power the light bulb. No battery required. Instead of this cover, we can also use bottle. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe. Please subscribe the button.